What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon, crypto universe. Today is Tuesday, December 26th, and yes, you've seen it right on the cover photo. I sold my BONK tokens. But did I sell everything? Did I sell a small portion? Well, in this video, I want to share with you kind of how I got to this consensus of selling my BONK tokens. What did I see in the community? What were they saying? What feedback did they give me? And what was I seeing in the charts? How far could this token go in terms of its dip? Could it experience a retracement to the upside? Maybe short term or maybe even long term? Well, that is what we're going to talk about in today's video. So as always, if you want to stay up to date on a timely manner regarding the BONK token, please, you need to smash the like button. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page. And most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email. So please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's get right into it. So as you can see here, we are actually down 13% and we have hit the 1.6 level in terms of the price point. We were actually below the $1 billion market cap. Now, I want to go into what the community has been talking about, speculating why the token has taken a dip. Well, maybe it's because of this, because recently BONK, the team, has announced that they were giving out these rewards to people who had met their standards, right? That we've covered this on our channel before. Basically, they had different tiers of how you can participate in free airdrops. And right now, they've given out all the airdrops to all these different people. And again, we've even talked about on this channel and shared data where, you know, some of it's in like the multi-millions, meaning it's like $1 million, $2 million, $3 million. And could that really take the price? Not really, but again, we just want to share this with you anyways because people have been speculating, is this the reason why people have been seeing a dip in BONK? Now, as you can see, like say for instance, Cuddles was given $7,000 in BONK tokens, roughly 36 million BONK. And also we have Jux, who was receiving 137 million tokens, roughly around $2,500, and apparently he cashed that out, or maybe he didn't, but he basically used a decentralized exchange to swap that out if he didn't already. So that's really interesting to see what he did with his airdrop. And then we also had this person, Soul Gold Rush, who also got 66 million BONK tokens, roughly $1,250. Again, we don't know if this person decided to convert it into Solana or decide to hold on to the tokens themselves. Then, you know, someone on Reddit shared this and was basically, please pump BONK. My life depends on it. I put all of my life savings into BONK. I saw the rising price of Solana and figured people would then move into the best meme coin Solana has, but it keeps going down. I'm in so much trouble. Please pump it. Do it for me, please. Now, regardless of what you see here, this is what we talk about on our channel all the time. If you are emotional, if you're not having fun with this, then you're overexposed, meaning you have too much money invested into a meme coin. Again, this is a meme coin. You're literally betting money. And also, you're not supposed to be putting your life savings into something like a meme coin. That doesn't make any sense because literally you're putting what your hard-earned dollars that you work day to day, paycheck to paycheck, where you could have put into rent, into food, into paying bills, you're going to put on a meme coin. This is why we do not tell people to put their life savings into a meme coin. This is a huge lesson here. And next up, we also have other people who are bearish and bullish. So we have Flaw that said BONK is going to get wrecked. I said it, don't be left in the bag holding. And then Pokey, who's a huge DGOD whale, said this: BONK might be the play here. Stayed flat after the Sol pump. So he was basically saying that potentially that the pump could happen even though Solana was pumping in price, that eventually we were seeing some consolidation with BONK token. And then now we get into more specifics in terms of what people saw in the charts, right? So Spliffy said, let's see which MFers paper their BONK claim here. Don't be a bozo. So again, some people, again, claiming their free airdrop from the BONK team for the BONK Miss celebration. And again, were people going to be holding their position or converting it into Solana or Bitcoin? And then Wolf said this: I expect BONK to dip lower with everyone claiming and cashing out their BONK Miss claim over the next couple days. I plan to diamond hand all of my BONK regardless, still holding my airdrop from last Christmas and have never sold. We'll do the same with this airdrop. Could be a huge lesson here because again, when people were airdropped the first batch of BONK tokens last year, again, they would have been up substantially from that time. So considering that it was in like the hundreds of millions and now that we're $1 billion, yeah, I guess it really depends on what situation you are in. If you're desperately in need of funds, people are going to take their profits. But if you're not, then people are just going to hold those tokens, leave it there and let it play out for the rest of the year. And then we also have Austin. Austin says, if BONK was going to nuke, it would have already done it. Sol has nearly doubled in the past several days and you're bearish. How about you grow a set? BONK to a $5 billion market cap, which is Shiba Inu, in the next 3 weeks is programmed. I'm done talking about it. So enough of that. Let's go ahead and look into the charts, because this is what I'm seeing. So we did mention on our Patreon page that if it was breaking out of this trend, that was going to dip lower to the downside, possibly at around 1.4. That was the support level, as you can see here, because that was the recent support level. And what we're seeing here is that what's really concerning, or what's really that caught my eye, again, this is all about trading. You're not supposed to get emotional. We built a new trend line. And it was because it was creating this new support level, and it had around 5 days to decide if it was going to break to the upside or to the downside. As you can see here, it was probably going to bounce within the zone, and we had within those 5 days to decide if it was going to go up or down, but it decided to go down. And guess what? It's below the EMA ribbon. So really, right now we have a short signal, meaning it's a sell. And it's okay, sometimes when you see a short signal, it doesn't mean it's going to completely dump, because it could be a short and then just a few days later it's a buy. But right now it's breaking even below the trend line. So right now we're seeing this huge wick right here, which means that now the selling pressure is a little weak. And as you can see here from the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, we're in the oversold territory. So we could see a big bounce up to the upside, and this just could be a fake out. But again, the other side is it's going to bounce off the support level around 1.4. And if it breaks below that, then you're going to see a drop all the way to around 1.0. But I don't know if that's going to happen within a short amount of time, because again, Solana is doing a very bullish market right now. We saw it hit around 125 or $125 yesterday. It's actually, at the time of this recording, 107. So we're seeing some retracement. So BONK is probably following that retracement. But again, BONK and Solana are not correlated. One's a meme coin and one's a layer 1 blockchain coin. So keep that in mind. And I asked people on Twitter, should I turn my $500, which I invested when the market cap was around $9 million, which is now worth over $20,000, and take profit, or hodl, meaning hold on for dear life? A majority of you, 68% of you, out of the 251 that voted, said take profit. And then 31% of you said hodl. So you must be wondering, what did I do? Did I sell everything? Did I sell a half? Did I sell 25%? Well, if you join our Patreon page down the link below, I notified people 2 days before that this dip was going to possibly dip even further. So I ended up taking profit. But again, if you want to understand our personal trades here and you want to stay ahead of the game, because again, in order to make money in this field, you need to be the best trader. You need to see things before the trend actually happens. So I notified my Patreon members way before this dip was going to happen, and luckily we're in a good position. So again, if you want to get any of those alpha trades, join our Patreon link below, and I hope to see you there. So as a conclusion and statement, is BONK dead? I don't think so. I think that BONK right now is experiencing retracement. It really is the meme coin of Solana, and I definitely think that eventually this market cap, if it's not going to happen within the month, then it's going to eventually happen possibly within the year. Meaning that this market cap is going to flip Shiba Inu. Yes, the market cap right now for BONK is below $1 billion. And yes, Shiba Inu is roughly around $5 billion to $6 billion. But again, Shiba Inu is a meme coin. It's a meme coin that came after Dogecoin. Okay, like Shiba Inu is a meme coin of Dogecoin. And some people were like, no way, there's no way Shiba Inu is going to be in the $1 billion market cap. People are saying the exact same thing about BONK right now. So you have to really decide, are you willing to hold even during these volatile times when the price dips and seeing your portfolio go down? Or are you willing to dollar cost average, get more exposure and just buy the dip? Or are you cashing out your funds and just taking profit and not willing to invest in meme coins? Well, it's really good that you actually comment down below. Let us know your thoughts, because there are people in the community that read your comments, and so it helps them, evaluate their positions. So now that you've heard my point of view, also that this content is very educational and informative for you to make the best investment decision, what are you going to do? So with that said, let me know your thoughts down below, and I cannot wait to read them. So be sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page to receive those alpha calls and join us in understanding where the BONK token is going to go next. Till then, see you guys and girls next time.